What's up, guys? So I'm doing basically $600 computer build, and that's going to be including tax and shipping. This is in Canada, so we're going to start off on Newegg. And just this, I want to say quick. This is right now it's $580 or 580.97 in total. And if you want to make it actually 600, add a DVD drive, but I'm choosing not to. Or you can upgrade some parts. And this is off a Boxing Day sale. So if you look here, we have the hard drive is a Western Digital Blue, 500 gigabyte, 7200 RPM, and it's a SATA 6. And then for power supply, we have Stallion, Rossville Stallion Series RD600, which is 600 watt with a 12 volt rail, and it is SLI and Crossfire ready. For the motherboard, we have an ASRock B75M-GL, which is an LGA 1155 with the Intel B75. It has one SATA 6, USB 3, and five SATA 3 gigabyte per second. 3 gigabyte per second. So we also have on here for PCI slots, we have, if I bring up the picture, we have a X16 or 3.0 X16 running at X16, and then we have a PCI Express 2.0 X16, which is running at X4, and a regular PCI slot. So you see, here's our SATA connectors. Oh, sorry, it's 4 SATA. Oh, no, 5 SATA 3 gigabyte per second, 6. Okay, and we have a 24 pin dual. It's a dual channel, so you can have 2 sticks of memory. And for I/O, it has let me get rid of this. Has your PS2 mouse and keyboard, like 2 separate ones. DVI, a VGA, 4 USB 3s, 2 USB 2s, a LAN port, and 3 analog audio ports. So now if we go over to Best Buy, the reason I'm using Best Buy is I am going to be ordering this computer, and I have a gift card to some gift cards to Best Buy that I would like to use. So doing it off here, you might be able to find one Newegg or Tiger Direct or some site cheaper. But anyway, we have the Thermaltake Commander MSI full tower desktop computer case, black and white. This is $54.99. It's a pretty nice tower. If I pull up the pictures, let's see what it has, just to show you guys. So it's got a rear fan included. It's got the quick drives and bottom mounted power supply, which is nice. I like that more. Got some nice cutouts, so you should be able to do some cable management. And if we go down here to, oh no, not accessories, why did I do that? But anyway, it includes a 120mm fan in the back. And then we have the Radeon HD 7770 1 gigabyte by Asus, which is $20 off today, and or $20 off right now, and it ends on the 3rd of January in 2013. So this card it should run Battlefield 3 between 1570 FPS on Ultra, I do believe. That's on multiplayer. I'm just using Battlefield 3 because many people who have PCs play that game, who do PC gaming. And it's got DirectX 11.1, which is the newest DirectX that came with Windows 8. It does do multi-monitors, and it has a max resolution of 2560 by 600, or 1600, sorry. It's got 4.6 gigahertz clock speed, and it is a PCI Express 16 3.0, so it'll take full advantage of the motherboard we're using, because it has a 3.0, so it will not need to use like the back, or it will not need to like back, what do you call it, I can't think about it, but it's not gonna have to run at 2.0, basically. PCI Express X16 2.0. So then we have Crucial Ballistics 4 gig at 1333 megahertz for $19.97. And we have an Intel Core i3 2120 processor, dual core. I do believe it has dual thread, so it's gonna be kind of like it's got 2 virtual cores pretty much. That's what threads are. So it's a 2nd generation, as you can tell by the 2. It's at 3.3 gigahertz, which is pretty good. and it's only going to take 65 watts, where it's going to use the default fan for now. And yeah, it should run pretty well. And it's got, see, hyper threading, and you don't really need to worry about the video because we're not using that. And the reason I'm using Intel is because just future proofing. So basically in the future, if you need more power, you can easily upgrade that to an i7 3770K or 3930K or whatever you want to upgrade to. So anyway guys, thanks for watching and tune in next time.